accounting equation. From 1 to 6 entries are present, and here is our performance. You can see there are two basic sides, assets and liabilities. Where in liability side you will put all other liabilities, and on second column equity or capital including expenses and income will be recorded in this column. This was our brief introduction. We are ready to start our question. So let's begin. Number 1. Mr. Babar invested 2,20,000 in cash. So the person who is giving amount in the business is owner, and the amount which is invested by the proprietor is capital. So 220,000 in terms of cash is coming in. There is an increase in cash or asset. First column of cash column, 2,20,000 of cash is coming in plus sign. Once again, I am letting you know. Invested 220,000 in cash. Cash was coming in. You have increased your cash to 20,000. The amount which is provided by the proprietor is called capital or equity. So 2,20,000 would be in equity side. This is your first entry has been completed. Then we have second entry. Purchase goods for cash 44, on credit 36. So these are two different entries. I request to please focus upon first part. Purchase goods for cash. Goods are coming in. Goods are your asset. Increasing goods. First you will say that there is an increase in goods of 44,000. So just put 44,000 over here. Since you have bought these goods by cash, let me show you once again. Goods are bought by cash. Look at here, cash. So cash is going out. You will subtract 44,000 in cash. This is first entry. Now again look, purchase goods for cash 44 and purchase goods on credit. On credit means you have not paid the cash. So these 36,000 goods were purchased. Again, there is an increase in goods, 36,000. On the other hand, I am showing you 3-4 times that these goods of 36,000 were purchased on credit. So cash is not going out. From whom we will purchase these commodities? The person to whom amount is payable. That person is called creditor. Credit are liability. Liability is, so 36,000 would be posted over there. So guys, in this way, our first entry, then first part of second entry, then B part of second entry is completed. After that, simply you will take sum of goods, you will take sum of goods. In the similar way, you will take sum of other sides as well. So total has been calculated. These total must be equal to each other. After second entry, let's over here we made investment. Look at here, there was investment in first entry and 100% same you have made another investment. Amount which is provided by the proprietor is called capital. Cash is coming in the business, so there is increase in cash. Here you will come in cash column. How much amount is invested? 40,000. So plus 40,000 in cash column. The amount which is provided by the proprietor is your capital. So there would be an increase in capital as well, 40,000 plus over here. Now guys, this entry has been completed. We will take the sides, first one has been calculated, and similarly calculate remaining totals of cash, others, and this way this total has also been completed. So what has been completed. Now we will focus upon our fourth entry. Let's see what it is saying. Cash paid to creditors. So please note it down. You have paid cash to creditor. Come back to your second entry. You have bought these goods from creditors. Total amount which was payable to creditor was 36, and now you are paying 20,000. So cash you are paying, cash is going out. There is decrease in cash. Decrease in cash you will mention in cash column. How much amount they have paid? 20,000. So there would be decrease in cash 20,000. Since you have paid this amount to whom? Creditors. Creditors are mentioned over here. When you will pay, your creditors would also be decreased. So here 20,000 minus sign. Entry has been completed. What would be our next step? We will take sum of all the columns present over here. The way you have taken other column would also be calculated. This was entry number 4. It has been completed. Now we will see what entry number is saying. So let's get back and see entry number 5. He purchased refrigerator but for personal use. Note very clearly, it is a new concept. It is called drawings. Amount which is taken away by the proprietor for personal use, that would be considered drawing. Exactly opposite to this capital. When amount is provided by proprietor, it is called capital. When amount is taken away by the proprietor, it is called drawings. So purchase refrigerator for personal use. When he will be buying this refrigerator, it means he is using business cash. So there would be a decrease in cash. Come over here. This is your cash. Here you will decrease your cash. How much amount he has taken? 30,000. So you will put minus 30,000 over here. Once again, I am telling you, he took cash from the business and purchased refrigerator for personal use. So cash had gone out. Secondly, this amount was taken for personal use. This would be considered as your drawings. Drawings means his capital has been decreased. So minus 30,000 would be posted over here. So this was your fifth entry that has been completed. Now let's go to sixth entry. Before that, please do not forget we have to take all the sides so that we self that all sides are completed. We had 4 columns and we will take sum of all 4 columns. Alright guys, so entry number 5 was completed. Now let's see what sixth entry is saying. He paid rent. Now look at here, there are 2 entries, so we will make it half. He paid rent of 4,000. When he will pay rent, cash will go out, cash will decrease. Decrease in cash you will mention over here. How much rent he had paid? 4,000. So minus 4,000, cash decreased. And as you know, rent is expense. Expense sign we already know is minus. So here minus 4,000 would be the amount written in expense side. This is one part. Now again, here was rent. This was also rent. Again we have rent, but it is outstanding. Underline it. It means rent is not paid. Rent payable. Rent is payable. So again it is rent. Rent is your expense and that is payable. You will come over here and note it down. If rent is paid, it would be considered as an expense. If rent is still payable, again it would be considered as your expense. On the first hand, you will subtract how much rent we have over here, 2000. So come over here and write down minus 2000. On the other hand, since rent has not been paid, it would be considered your liability. So there would be an increase in liability of 2000. So guys, in this way, 6th A and 6th B, this was your 6B entry is completed. I have told you that there are two amounts in 6th entry, 4000 and 2000. So you will enter in different way. I would like to repeat this. Outstanding. Outstanding means rent is still payable. That is why you have written it in liability side and rent is your expense. You have subtracted in equity. Alright guys, it means our question has been completed simply. Now we will take sum of all the sides present over here. First column, you will take sum. In the similar way, you will be taking some other columns. So guys, in this way, our sums are also completed. After that, you will take sum of all the amounts present on asset side. Look at here, there are two values present over here, and asset side sum has been completed. In the similar way, you will take sum of liability side, and you know that there are two columns in liability side is present over here. So sum of this side has also been completed, and you can see that total of both sides are equal. Answer is given in the question. Let's check it out. So answer in book is 242,000 and the answer which we have calculated is also 242,000. So guys, in this way our question has been completed. All 6 entries are done. Answer is matched. I am requesting you to please solve this question by self 3 to 4 times. After solving it, if you still feel anything difficult, you are very open to share your problem through messages, text, or you can directly meet to share your problem. I will humbly be trying my best to answer these questions quickly. So thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.